X4M competition. 370 with the kit. F80 of course. And the Camry TRD. Like and subscribe to the limits. Okay, so we're just cruising. X4M competition. My boy ain't got the regular thing. Nah. He got the competition. My boy Gary with the 370 with the kit. Bringing out the F80 of course. And then my girl KC in the Camry TRD Pro. Guys, she's been thinking about starting a YouTube. Let her know you'll watch the videos on the car. Plus you want to get a G80. So you know she got the big bucks. So go watch the channel if she started. Okay. I see you. But we're going to go for a drive in the cars, of course. Let's go have some fun, man. Take it through the tunnel. Here's some pop-pops. Let's go have some fun, baby. Neighborhood cruise, guys. Neighborhood POV night cruise. That's the title of the video, was it? POV drive with my neighbors. In my manual F80. We went crazy. That's the title. Oh my. First of all, God, please protect us. Help us to come back home safe, Lord. Amen. You guys can see good. This is the first night POV, like official. Let's see if we can drift it. The gap that's cat. But let me go ahead and wait on the crew. They cutting up for real. God, look at her, bro. Come on. They cutting up for real. You say jump off high clutch?
Yeah.
Ready? Gary. Yo, Dev bullying me with those intakes, bro. Yo, Dev car sounds so good. Yo, launch it now. Yo, that shit sound. Yo, the intakes, them, bro. Yeah, it sound like you just a bully me with the intakes, dog. I can't believe that she are going so. Damn, Casey. Big driver, Casey. Big driver, Casey. Damn.
He's still behind us, right?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Hold on. I hear him launch. Wait, man, then go on. I can smell my brakes. Alright, Dev, you know, I have no excuse no doubt. Make sure you launch it. Oh my gosh, the Four Musketeers doing it tonight, baby. I'm trying to see if this thing is recording. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. I keep on touching the camera instead. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, bro. What? That boy sneezing. Dang, girl, you bad. You bad. You bad. You bad. Okay, I see you can do your thing. You record the whole thing? You record the whole thing? You have to post it. She gotta post this. everybody's together. I need everybody to go past me now, bro. Bro, I just changed my phone, right? Because in the last video I lost my phone. I don't know where it is, so I don't got nobody number. Everybody I called on Instagram, bro. So I can't even call them and tell them to pass me. I don't got nobody number. Damn, boy. And I haven't even got my new phone. This is just an old phone that was at the house, so I'm using it. I'm ordering a new Samsung though. I need the Ultra so we can take good pictures. I need you guys to pass me, bro. Go in front! Let's listen to them now. Okay, Camry. Let's go straight. Let's go straight. Let's go straight. That was sick, huh? Let's pull over somewhere up here and just debrief. You know what I'm saying? That was lit. That was lit, bro. That was sick. Were you recording? Were you recording? Oh, you trying to drive fast? Bro, I haven't had that much fun in a minute. I'm so happy I got this car, bro. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Like this video, share this video. Let's get this video to a ton of likes and a ton of views so we can continue doing this, man. That was fun. The camera is recording good. I'm speaking into its extents. Let's pull over. Gas station. Come over. Pull over. Come in front. Let's just debrief for a second, you know what I'm saying? Make sure everybody good. We just a debrief for a second, my boy. Stay right this up. Yo guys, subscribe to the channel. That was mad. That was mad. That was sick. That X4M just sneezing, bro. Just shoo. You must say excuse me when you sneeze so much, sir. Damn, bro, that's just so sick. He said my car ain't built for it. This girl right here, bro. This girl right here, she just that was sick. You see how much you forgot of that? Anybody ever got it? Yo, you forgot of this? Alright,
and that shit sounds good too.
Bro, that shit sound crazy.
It does.
I was like, bro, he bullying the scat pack. Bro, just I was like, bro, he bullying the scat pack, bro. Bro, that shit fast, you know, dog. Golly. No, V6.
Oh, okay.
But she a cut up, you know, dog.
Yeah, it makes sense, though.
She a cut up, brother.
That's how the fuck this move so like you
Yeah, like you want to keep, yo. Mom, why me see she go over and just shoot me? I said, what? Bro, it's like, I'm in the right gear, she go pass me. Me have a dog, she for her first gas. Brother, I said, what?
I said, nah, man, listen like it's gonna run.
Yeah, bro. Which office I do over this one? This was the neighborhood cruise, you know what I'm saying? The neighborhood cruise, that's how we're calling this one. Cruising with the neighbors, bro. Cruising with the neighbors, bro. Welcome to the neighborhood cruise, guys. Subscribe to her channel if she started it already, which I'm gonna make her go home and start the channel. I'll leave it in the description. Subscribe to her channel, follow her on IG. You already know, to the limits, that's what you're watching. And to the LMTS on IG, my boy Gary Z34GP, G34_GP on Instagram. Follow my boy on Instagram. And this guy is Humble Boy Dev on Instagram. So follow everybody, man. I'll leave them in the description. That was a nice ass cruise.